Hi, it's Liam from Supreme. Today we're going to take a look at some transmission fluid. They can be at all different sides of your engine bay. Sometimes they're on the side or coming out the back. This one here is on the side. You're going to want to pull it out, same as your oil dipstick, you're going to have your levels. This one's actually completely dry, so it'll need some fluid. There's usually a hot and cold level too, for when your engine's hot or cold. You want to make sure that you always have your topped up transmission fluid, or else you'll burn out the clutches and everything inside the automatic transmission, and that can cause a lot of money down the road. So if you have any issues with your transmission slipping or making any noises, bring it into Supreme and we'll see what we can do.
Thanks for tuning into Supreme Tire and Auto's channel. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more Supreme content. And remember, if you can't come to us, we'll come to you. We'll pick up your vehicle, service it, drop it off. Check the link in the description for an appointment. We'll see you guys next time.